bikini. Welcome to my super chef. Today we're going to make something with this giant Chinese cabbage and topped with cream and Shanghainese salted pork ham. This dish is really popular in Shanghai, and I like the creamy sauce on top that covers its face. This thing here. It's really big, and heavy. Let's put it down for a second. You've never seen a cabbage this big, right? It's super tall. Let's start cooking. We have this Wombok, some thickened cream, a few slices of ginger, 2 slices, some grated garlic, and some Shanghai salted pork. When you get these, they'll probably look like this, But then you can chop it into little pieces like this, and then wrap it up in cling wrap and store them in the freezer. And then it's easier to use when it's like this. I'm cutting this in half. So beautiful. There's like a pattern. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm chef too. Time to wash it. Now I'm gonna try. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is pretty good. Can you make sure that you pound the subscribe button? Click. Great job, guys. And ring that bell. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.